If I have standard rectangular coordinates, also known as Cartesian coordinates, they may refer to them as that as well. How do I convert to polar coordinates? The first thing to keep in mind is if there's radicals like square root 2s and square root 3s and whatnot in there, leave them alone. Just leave them alone, okay? Things will work out, and oftentimes it's going to help identify special angles. Sometimes it's also going to be when I calculate r, I'm going to need to calculate r. Usually it works a lot better if I keep it with the radical, because when I square, the radical just kind of goes away. So the first thing I want to keep in mind is that, well, x and y coordinate-wise, it's going to put me in quadrant 2, because I'm moving left and then up. I'd first calculate r just by doing the Pythagorean theorem. You know, the square root of x squared plus y squared, and I get 6. Now what I do is I find alpha. So I ignore any positives or negatives. I just do the y over the x, ignoring any negatives, to get what the what the reference angle is. So I do the arctangent of 1. The reference angle is pi over 4. So I'm looking for an angle that has a reference angle of pi over 4, but would put me in quadrant 2. So that's my theta, and the angle that would do that would be 3 pi over 4. So I have my r, I have my theta, so my polar coordinates are 6, 3 pi over 4.